Hey guys, hope you guys are doing okay. Today we need to repair this Radiomaster TX16S, and because if I just turn this helicopter on here, telemetry recovered. You can probably hear that. I'll turn it off because it's annoying. What that is the vibration motor inside this that is, well, it appears to be rattling rather than vibrating the radio set. So we're going to take this to bits, see if we can repair that today. Okay, so I've turned it off. Let's make sure we get the battery out of it, so we don't have any sparks. I really don't want to damage this radio. Right, so if I remember rightly, we have to take these side panels off here. Seems to ring a bell. I think they come off quite easily. Pull them like that. And this side too. Famous last words, come off quite easily. Yep, it's coming off. There you go. That's those. Put those safe over there and over there. So, let me think. I seem to remember we have to take out these screws at the back. We need 4 screws, all identical sizes. Let's take this off too. Take out my pack of wires for flashing different receivers and things. Now, that made it come off. Do we need to take these off also? I think maybe we do. No, maybe we don't. Let's get a spludger. I think we need to take these off here from memory. Oh, different size. That's handy, isn't it? Got a couple of little. See if I can zoom down here a bit. Got a couple of connections here for the speaker. So we've got one going in here and one going to the circuit board here. We can now get rid of that. Okay, let's see what else we've got. This, of course, here. Get my pointer wherever that's gone. It's here. This is the battery, which you can change. That's a CR1220 lithium cell, 3 volts. That keeps all the date and time and all the settings in there. And when you turn it off, okay, so looks okay. Just having a quick visual check, make sure there's nothing else wrong. Now where? It's here. Well, that's handy, isn't it? That's very handy, just there. Okay. So, in that case, this would be the battery connection just here. Like this. And if I turn that on, I'll zoom back out again in a moment as that turns on. I think we're too close, aren't we? So the motor's here. Let me see if I can zoom down onto that a moment. Get that in shot for you guys. So this is the motor here that spins. So this is the battery connection across here. So I've just plugged that in. I'm going to turn the helicopter back on, and I think we're going to see this. Oh, I can see what it is actually. I can see what it is. This little part here is broken. And it could potentially. Yes, okay. That's broken. And it's allowed the motor to catch this and that, I think. You know what, I'm tempted to put a little bit of hot glue on that, to be honest. Let's have a quick look, see if I can make this do its thing. For some reason it doesn't want to make a noise at the moment. Oh, throttle sticks up, that's why. There you go. There you go. That's working quite well now. I don't know if you can see this spinning here. And what it was doing, it was hitting on that there, look. Okay. I think a bit of hot glue on that. One moment please when I get the hot glue. Okay, hot glue at the ready. Just drop a little bit on there. Push it down so it catches the motor on both sides. So it can't slide backwards and forwards. Like that. I'll unplug that. Done with that now. Okay, so let me have a look at that then. I think that's drying nicely. Switch it back on. Make sure the throttle's down this time. Looks like it's okay. Switch the heli on. Perfect. Perfect. So if we plug those speakers back in, we should now be able to hear the low battery sound. Let's plug that into there like that. Plugging that in there like that. So I've joined this wire here. I need to join the main speaker connection onto here. Where can we see that? Can we see that? It's here. Move them wires out the way so the camera can see there's a connector here. So I'm going to put them on there. There you go, low battery. That's real. And that's because the helicopter, by the way, has got a low battery, and that's exactly what I wanted to hear. Low battery. Awesome. I think that's going to be a fix, guys. Telemetry lost. Let's turn that off. That's all, folks. Come back, zoom back out. We'll put that back together. I think that was the easiest fix in the world, and made for a very short video. I wish all fixes were that easy. Let's put this back together though. We may as well film it all. So this has got to go on there. Got some little clips here at the back. Oops, I need to get rid of my some little clips at the back of that there. Look, that we need to hook over like that. And remember that these two screws are different to the others. 1, 2. I've got to say I've been putting up with this for quite a while, and if I'd known it was going to be that easy to fix, I did fit this, all these pink parts on all these purple pink parts, whatever they are, some time ago, a few years maybe, and I also fitted the upgraded gimbals here. So I just couldn't remember where that motor was. I assumed it was going to be buried somewhere. So that's made a really good and easy fix. So I like that one. Let's put that back on there. Let's put this is always a little bit of a difficult one to get in. There you go. That's gone in. If I remember rightly, these just tuck in like that. Just tease that down there. Give it a little slight persuasion. That's on, I think. One last check. Back up. Oops. Brilliant. Fantastic. Job done.
Receiver still connected. Telemetry lost. That's all, folks.
Well, that seems like that was a nice, easy repair. I've put up with that for quite some time, and I wish I'd done it sooner. It's took me, 15 minutes maybe? Sometimes we put off the most silly things, don't we? Thinking they were going to be more difficult than what they are. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please do what the sign says. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.